Welcome back to another video, guys. Feel like it's been a long time, but we're back for another video. It's been a week, and last video was a little interesting. We actually dropped the engine in the car, attempted to at least. There was a few things that didn't clear, but that was the whole point of it, just to see what was gonna have to come out, what was gonna stay, and just to give us like a rough idea. This week, we actually received our fuel pump, and we ended up going with, here, let me open this up real quick, with a Walbro 485, so much larger than what's in the car right now. Comes with spacer, little carrier for it, and another sock, a fuel filter. So gonna get that installed on the car today. We're gonna have to upgrade our fuel lines because these, I believe, are 5/16, and we need to move up to 3/8. So we're gonna end up going with like nylon tubing, and for the amount of power that we want to run, those should be fine. I'm not gonna mess with removing the old lines just yet. Maybe if finish the fuel pump and everything else, we'll tackle those, but those are gonna go. But yeah, that's what we're gonna take care of today. So it's pretty much just gonna be me today. Justin's actually on vacation right now, so it's his spring break. So I'll be doing all the filming. Anyways, too much talking, I'm gonna get to work.
Perfect.
Man, it amazes me at how much fuel these things hold. I feel like every time I tip it over one way, there's just like fuel everywhere. But at least it's here and not in the car. So I just took a quick pause here. I just want to show you guys the difference in between the two different fuel pumps. Take a look at this, guys. Tiny baby compared to the upgrade one. So it says TI Automotive, but Walbro actually rebranded themselves. So it is a Walbro 485, and I don't even know what this is, to be honest. I don't know how many liters per hour it pumps, but oh, there we go. Look at that. This thing is just way bigger. Anyways, this should definitely be good for the amount of power that we want to run and more. So cool thing is we get to keep stock housing and everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this dropped in and we'll continue. I'll throw somebody behind me. Weird.
Perfect.
Alright guys, we're all finished up here. So assembly is back together. Everything fit nicely. Well, we're jumping a day ahead. So I got a little sidetracked yesterday. Couldn't really film this, but I ended up jumping underneath the car, and I started to add in our subframe spacers so we could fit this LS in there. Those spacers end up going in there. You'll notice a slight gap, and then the two mounts right back here. You can't really see that one. There's two there, two back there. So total of 8 spacers. Got those in. It's a fairly easy process. So as for the fuel pump, I didn't end up dropping it back in. So thought about it a little bit more. I was like, hey, I'm probably gonna have to pull this back out once I get this new hose or this new line for the car. I did order it yesterday. Gets here tomorrow, I think. So I ended up going with 3/8 nylon. So that's what we're gonna be putting in the car. Should be good for about 600, 700. All right, guys, so that's pretty much it. Just wanna give you guys a rundown on this thing. Again, please don't forget to like and subscribe, share the videos, and to our 20 subscribers or 21 subscribers out there, hope you guys are enjoying the content.